This GIUIS is really new in Egypt because it's the first University of Applied Science. And so this practice-oriented and business-oriented focus is not at the common universities in Egypt or in the whole Arabic world. So it's very unique. We try to export and then also to develop an own philosophy of teaching and of education.
My vision for the GIUIS is that all the students, they become designers, will work in a growing and in a successful fashion branch in Egypt, in Africa, or all over the world. And that the faculty GIUIS is a big player to bring this experience to the young talents.
At first, you have to be curious. And the other point is you should be really interested in new technology and the social changes. You should be interested also to meet new people and you are looking for interdisciplinary work because industrial design is an interdisciplinary field. Yes, and sure, you should also looking over your border and really to enjoy, to draw, to looking for culture development and yes, to collect really great experiences, great new experiences during the study time.
Please, we will welcome you and we are curious to learn you better and better from month to month, semester to semester, and we will be proud to educate you, to welcome also in Berlin for an extension semester, or our students sent up to Cairo to learn each other better and learn from each other.